Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at Ozark's Trail Outdoor Equipment 12-piece camping tool set. Believe it or not, I picked this up at Walmart for only about 15 bucks, which was, yeah, a really good deal for this. Because I was looking at some of the parts that came in here, and it was just ridiculous to buy them individually, considering the price that this whole package was worth. I mean, I saw this machete, 21 bucks. That's way more than the spots. About 674 for the paracord. This little knife right here was costing about, I want to say something like, how much was this knife? I don't know, something like 7 something for that knife. This was going for 11.89 or something for this little hatchet. Fire Star was like $1.99 for that. Flashlight was $11.99 for that thing. Sharpened stone, they don't sell them separate, so I don't know how much that would cost. But carabiners were like $1.99 or something like that. So yeah, definitely, like I said, one piece of this gear was worth more than this whole box. And I'm getting this whole box for like 15 bucks. That's why I was like, you know what? It's going in the cart. It's going on the conveyor belt. It's going in my house. I'm buying it. Because I was like, wow, that's a good machete, Nothing too bad that's hanging off your pants, but, a little wimpy, small type of thing. It's a good little size machete. So I was like, alright. I'll buy it. Let's see if I have my. Yep. My rather old machete, which as you can see is way bigger than spots. Let me see if I can kind of zoom out here so you can kind of see the machete, how big it is. Yeah. Something like, what is it, Jason Voorhees? Michael Myers? I don't know, I'm not into scary movies, but I know one of them uses a machete like this. But yeah, I mean, come on, this is way too big. You can't even get this into a backpack. At least this is a little bit more backpack manageable type of thing for camping. So yeah. Now they do say that free sheaths are included in here, so I don't know what's going on with my camera, but there we go. So you get one for the machete, one for the knife, and one for the little hatchet. I don't know where I put it, but I had another hatchet like this one, and that one was horrible. It said that it could hold a fire starter. The fire starter didn't fit in there, and it kept falling out. This one, as you can kind of tell here, has little holes cut in there for like little bolts, so it's kind of like a hatchet and a wedge. But on the other one, they were not marked for the sizes of the wedge. Like at least this one, clearly says on there, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8. The other one, you just like small hole, medium hole, big hole. Yeah. Nothing on this side, that side, nothing on the bottom. You could go to Walmart.com, that's what it says on there. I'll put a link down below, but to be honest with you, most of the information is going to help you out if you want to buy this online. Amazon, that's where I've been usually finding them. Amazon, I went to Walmart.com website. They didn't have, anything. It was like, nothing there for that website. So I was like, forget it. Went to the good old Amazon, and it's like, first page pretty much. Right then and there. We got it here on Amazon, but Walmart, nope. You're searching for like there's 7 to 12 pages, and it's not in there. you go to Amazon, type in first page, like maybe the third, second or third item, right there on the first page. So yeah, there is going to be more than likely an Amazon link to this one. There is also going to be, a Walmart one, but what you can see here's kind of what you get in there. So it says, if I can get the can to focus good. There we go. LED aluminum focusing flashlight, 3 modes, high, low, and flash. 180 lumens. One time is 2 hours. Beam distance is 60 meters. A machete. Comfortable handle, safe and quick, but what they don't say about the machete is that it has a saw back to it on the spine, so they don't say that, but you can clearly see it right there. And obviously right here. What else you get here? Hatchet and knife. So that's not an adze, that's a hatchet. Hatchets are smaller than adzes, if you didn't know. And you're like, what's the difference between a hatchet and an adze? The size and kind of the shape of the blade. Adzes have more of a squared off kind of blade, while a hatchet is a little bit more rounded. Then you get the knife, which is right there. Actually, the knife doesn't look too bad. Sharpened stone and fire starter, 50-foot utility cord. It's paracord. 2 6-centimeter carabiners. So yeah. So let's get this open up and take a look at the parts in here. I mean, we don't even gotta tear the box open. You just kind of bend it a little bit and you can get right on in there to the parts, which is kind of nice. Oh, come on. Alright, there we go. I got those parts out. And where the hell's the shoes? I'm guessing they're gonna be right behind that little orange piece of cardboard. So I don't know, what should I do first to review? I don't know, maybe... Yeah, let's go with the little hatchet. It does seem pretty thin piece of metal, and it is a... It's like a piece of paper, that's how thin this metal is. I will have to say the other one was a little bit of a thicker piece of metal. The paracord handle is nice, but it's like real soft, which I would say you really couldn't get that good of a grip on it, because you can see how much it moves and wiggles, and that's something you don't want on a handle. You don't want one that really moves and wiggles and that's real soft that you can push on. So maybe if the one was like a wound, like 550 paracord instead of using this like real soft, like almost thin, nothing inside of it type of paracord, that would have been better. Like I said, you do have your measurements on here. If I could get the can to focus. There you go. 3/8, 1/2, 5/8 inches. The blade is sharp but not super sharp. There is some type of oil coating on there. I do like that there is a little place to kind of put your hand right here to turn a bolt. So that is kind of nice. Little piece of wood. Let's see. Wow. It barely made a dent in the wood. So definitely sharpen that thing up. Here's what it looks like. Nice little belt. Holster there. So you just put it in here. And then, I don't know why they didn't do this, but they want you to fold it over, and Velcro it in there. Which doesn't really make sense, because usually most things, they're already folded. They had that crease in there and it's bent. Now, it does wiggle around a bit. I guess maybe you could fold it up a little bit more to get a little bit more tighter, but do keep in mind, the tighter you get on this side, the less one you're going to have for your belt. And it is supposed to kind of go sideways. So